Alright guys, so I'm going to share with you all this thing. So inside here is Running World, and there's something special going on in this Running World. So I will go into the flower and show you the Running World and other stuff. Stay tuned. All right. Oh, perfect timing. So I just teleported inside the spec. This is inside the spec. So, oh, there's actually a competition going on. So I'm going to teleport myself to that. Hey guys, welcome to our Pueblo early bird vlog. I'm here with our team. And we're gonna have a really great race today. It looks like our first medley is coming up, featuring I think Emma and Brooke. Catch me if I get it wrong, but I think those it is in the medley. Yeah. So okay guys, the girls are getting ready to start the medley, and yeah, so there's Kaydin in this one. That's Kaydin. So hopefully Kaydin will race well in the medley.
You guys are in the outside.
Yep. Oh, Emma's going first. Let's go, Emma! Alright, so bad news about Emma. She went down, but I think she's gonna be okay once she walks around a little bit and stuff, so yeah. Go Brooke! Go Brooke! Wow, guys, what a sprint Brooke did. I'm really amazed. Yeah. Stay tuned for more races. So, guys, our next event is the 100-meter hurdles. Okay, so it's the 100-meter hurdles, and Kaydin is gonna run in it, and she is gonna do very, very well. I'll have you stay tuned for her race. So, okay, guys, I'm still gonna try to film Kaydin running the hurdles. So, and please excuse the noise. I can't go on the other side because can't have electronic devices on the field, unfortunately. But I'll try to be able to zoom in from here and film Kaydin. I'll try my best. So, guys, this might be the last heat that Kaydin is in. She's gonna run, as I said, the hurdles from there to there, so it's 100 meters. Okay, so as I said, Katie's gonna do awesome. Kaydin is gonna do awesome. Let's go, Kaydin! Go, Kaydin! So guys, I think Kaydin was third. So I think she did a great race. Yeah, on to the next one. So next coming up is Jonah's gonna run a 100-meter dash. And yeah, so there's still gonna be boys hurdles after the girls. And then Jonah gets to go after that. So stay tuned and cheer for Jonah. So guys, there's a little misunderstanding here. Kaydin, I said that she placed third. Well, she actually placed fourth. So, yeah. So, that's still good. That's still great. for Kaydin. All right, stay tuned for Jonah. All right, I just finished my race, and I forgot to tell you that I was gonna have a race. You probably knew anyways, so I PR'd by 20 seconds. My time was 6:29, and I did awesome. And but of course, the rest of the team will. And we're gonna go watch Jonah do the 400. Let's go,
Hey,
Jonah!
Fight the win, fight the win. You got this. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on, Jonah, turn it on.
Come on, Jonah! Go! Go, Jonah! All right, guys. Jonah won the 400-meter dash. Congrats to him. And yes. So stay tuned for more races. All right, guys. So Kaydin is about to start her race. And yeah. So stay tuned. All right. We're getting ready for Kaydin's 300-meter hurdles. I think that's what it's called. And I'll let you know after the race how she did. Anyways, let's go. Let's go, Kaydin! Come on, let's go! So here are the results for Kaydin's 300-meter hurdles. She got third, and she did great. Jonah is about to do his race. And yeah, Jonah's doing the 200-meter dash. And there he is. He's off. Going to chase, throwing it past those other boys. Go, Jonah! All right, guys. So I just got back from that meet, and this was an amazing race. Everyone ran great and did awesome. So I'm right now going to teleport out of the spec, and I'll see you there. All right, I just got back to the big world, and once again, that was such an amazing race. Please subscribe and leave a like and comment down below and all that good stuff. So thanks. Bye.